Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is what is the use of trellis for a chart in QlikView. Trellis is basically a function which is meant for this particular chart. You can use it for different charts. It is basically available in the dimension tab. So if I want to display this particular region, this is nothing but a bar chart which is being provided for coffee sales, which is shown region-wise: east, north, south, and west. So on x-axis we have taken this particular region, and on y-axis there is coffee sales, sum of coffee sales. So if I want to display it separately, all these regions has to be displayed separately on each of quadrants in the manner of quadrant. Say first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. So each of these region can be displayed separately. For that purpose we are using trellis. So I will show you the database first. Click on file menu and go to this edit script. So you can see that I have taken the data by clicking on this particular data from files. Click on table files, and then I have imported a Excel file named as coffee chain sales, and from that coffee chain sales table is being taken. Now go to this particular bar chart, right click on it. Right click on this particular bar chart, go to the properties. Over here you can find out one tab named as dimension. So which dimension we have taken, so how many fields are available, we have taken this particular region dimension. Over here you want to take the data from coffee chain sales, so you can find out one option over here, trellis. So there is animate and trellis, so we will click on trellis. I'll show you what is going to happen. So I'll click on trellis. I'll go to the trellis setting and I'll click on enable trellis chart. So each of the region will be displayed separately on only one chart, which will be having x-axis as well as y-axis for each of the regions. So I'll click on OK. I'll click on apply and OK. So you can find out this is basically your x-axis, this is basically your y-axis, x-axis as well as y-axis. So north, east, south and west. So this is displayed separately. On y-axis we will be having, this is basically a graphical manner which we are going to use. So in the form of graph it is being displayed. So north region is displayed separately, so sum of coffee sales for north region. East is also displayed separately, south is also displayed separately, as well as west is also displayed separately in the same manner. So in this way we can use the trellis function to display the chart. So it is also known as a trellis chart. So this is basically displayed in 4 quadrant manner. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third, and this is fourth. So I hope you have understood what is the use of trellis for starting QlikView. Thanks for watching.